Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you all are good today. Does everyone learn alphabet? Very good. Today we are going to learn a new letter. All of you, look here. Today we are going to learn a letter O. Repeat after me. O. Once again, O. Look at here. This is capital letter O. Capital letter O. Say once again, capital letter O. And this is small letter O. Repeat after me, small letter O. Say once again, small letter O. Children, repeat after me, capital letter O, small letter O. Say once again, capital letter O, small letter O. Say once again, which letter is this? Very good. And this one? Yes, very good children. And the sound of letter O is O. The sound of letter O is O. Repeat after me. O. Once again. O. Okay. Now let's trace capital letter O and small letter O. First we are going to trace capital letter O. Capital letter O starts from the red line like this and touches the two blue lines and again touch the first red line. Say aloud, capital letter O. Repeat after me, capital letter O. It's like a circle shape or a zero. Okay. So let's trace capital letter O again. It starts from the red line and touches the two blue lines. Again touch the first red line like this. Capital letter O. Repeat after me, capital letter O. Now we are going to trace small letter O. Okay. Small letter O starts from the first blue line and touches the second blue line and again touch the first blue line like this. Small letter O. Once again it starts from the first blue line, touch the second blue line and again touch the first blue line like this. Small letter O. Repeat after me. Small letter O. Once again. Very good. And the sound of letter O is a very good child. Very good children. Let's trace capital letter O and small letter O together. Okay. Look here. Capital letter O and small letter O. Repeat after me. Capital letter O, small letter O. Once again, capital letter O, small letter O. Now let's check some words starts with a letter O. Our first word is, can you say what is this? Yes, it's an ox. What is this? Ox. Repeat after me. Ox. Once again. Ox. Okay. Very good. And our next word is, can you say what is this? Have you seen it before? No. It is an octopus. What is this? Octopus. Once again. Octopus. This octopus lives in ocean. Okay. It has 6 legs. An octopus has 6 legs. How many legs do you have? Yes, we all have only 2 legs, but our octopus have, yes, 6 legs. So, repeat after me, octopus. Octopus. Very good. And our next word is, can you say which fruit is this? Yes, very good. We all know which fruit is this. It's an orange. What is this? Orange. Repeat after me. Orange. And what's the color of this fruit? It's also orange. The color of the food orange is also orange in color. So our next word is orange. Orange. Okay. Then our next word is, can you say what is this? Do you know what is this? No? It's an olive. What is this? Olive. It's also a fruit. Okay. What is this? Olive. 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 Okay children, let's revise these all words. What is this? Ox. O is for ox. Repeat after me. O is for ox. Ox. Repeat after me. Ox. And this one, octopus. O is for octopus. Once again, O is for octopus. And this one, very good, orange. O is for orange. O is for orange. Orange. Repeat after me. Orange. And this one, olive. What is this? Olive. O is for olive. Repeat after me. O is for olive. 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 Okay children? Okay, then today we learned capital letter O and small letter O. Repeat after me. Capital letter O, small letter O. And the sound of letter O is O. Repeat after me. O. Okay. Now let's write capital letter O and small letter O in your notebook. All of you take your notebook and your pencil. Let's put the date first. Now we are going to trace capital letter O and small letter O in your notebook. It starts from the first red line and touches the two blue lines. Again it goes up and touches the first red line. Capital letter O, then small letter O. Small letter O starts from the first blue line and touches the second blue line. Again it goes up and touches the first blue line. Small letter O. Again capital letter O, small letter O. Capital letter O, small letter O. So children, you have to complete the page by writing capital letter O and small letter O. And also we are going to write the activities given by your English textbook number 1, page number 32 and 33. All of you take page number 32 and 33. You have to write all these activity and also write capital letter O and small letter O in your English letter writing book. Okay. So today we learn capital letter O, small letter O, its sound and words. Okay children, see you in the next class. Take care. Thank you and bye bye.